So first, what does certification bring you? A lot of times we take an exam, we get a certification, and we get that certificate, we put it on our wall for about the first year, and then it ends up on our dartboard. Or it becomes a doorstop. Well, when it comes to certification with CEH, you need to understand that that this certification actually brings to you an international recognized certification. This is one that's known throughout the entire IT industry. It is, in fact, an industry standard. So much so that the CEH certification actually meets the Department of Defense Directive 8570.1, which basically is a directive that came out and said anybody that deals in the IT side of things when it comes to government, it has to have some type of certification, CEH being one of those. As far as benefiting your resume is concerned, CEH will actually help make you stand out as someone who understands how a hacker thinks. The most recent survey in 2015 showed that a certified ethical hacker, their salary range is anywhere from $25,000 up to $111,000 per year. And obviously, with everything that's been going on in this world as far as hacking and technology is concerned, this certification is in high demand. Just because the aspect that it, again, is teaching you to be more proactive than reactive to what's happening.